my own experience. When I was 30, I was a pulmonologist, a lung specialist. So that in my schooling, there's no any hour for the nutrition to teach you how to eat. Every hour we spend in the school is to teach you how to cure the disease. Everything is a cure the disease and how to take control the disease. But finally, God teach me something. You want to cure the disease. Now I let you see if you really can cure. I'm medical doctor in pathology. So that I'm talking that using the medication to cure the disease. But I get a disease that I cannot heal myself. Only leave me 2 to 6 months to live. Then I kneel down. I ask God for help. Then God let me see the prescription in the Bible. And that prescription is what healed me. Now I'm 35 double. And I grow younger and younger because the food I eat. I know the secret. Now I share this secret with all of you. Everywhere I go, I say this secret. Okay? The food, all kind of disease can be healed by a simple food. And then today I will share my experience with my successful with the simple food to heal the diabetes. When I come here, I have no idea which topic I will say because everything is in me. So that when I talk, I seldom use something, but my wife said that you bring out something, you know, that so that I put something picture out. But sometimes the thing picture is not I speak either. All right, so which today to concentrate to the subject of diabetes. Why we get the diabetes? Okay. Diabetes is a sickness. Why we get sick? Because the food we eat is lacking of vitamin, mineral, lacking of enzyme, lacking of fiber, lacking of phytochemicals, and lacking of good bacteria. We need a lot of good bacteria. We're not afraid of bacteria. In America, everybody asks you, before you eat, you have to wash your hands. I tell them, don't worry about any bacteria. Because all the bad bacteria not like before. Because we have to know the secret. God has put the bad bacteria and the good bacteria in this world. And if we try to kill the bad bacteria, they will kill us. Okay? Before we are here in this world, those bad bacteria are here. But when we are here, they are around us also. And when we live to the heaven, the bad bacteria is still here. So don't try to kill them. Try to get along well with them. Okay? So that, but we get along well with the good bacteria. Look at this food. What they make from? They are all made from the refined flour. The refined flour. What is the refined